Alright, sorry, everybody, please pay attention. This question is January 2015, and we're asked to, in A says, using a calculator or otherwise, calculate the exact value of 12.8 square minus 30 divided by 0.375. So what is 12.8 square? 163.84. What is 30 divided by 0.375? 80. So minus with 80, what we get?
88.84.
No hard, I can't hard. If you get that wrong, you should beat yourself. B says, Mark spent, ladies and gentlemen, focus please. Mark spent 3/8 of his monthly income on housing. Of the remainder, he spent 1/3 on food and saved what is left. Calculate the fraction of his monthly income spent on food. Alright, first of all, he spent what? 3/8 on housing. Are you with me? Now, then it says of the remainder. So let's first determine what is the what? What fraction remains? If I spend what? 3/8 on what housing, what fraction remains? So, what remains is what? 1 minus what? 3/8, which is what? 5/8. He has his one salary, don't it? Out of his one salary, he spends what? 3/8 on what? Housing. And then what? What remains is what? 5/8. Now, of the remainder, he spends what?
1/3.
So, fraction on food. What fraction does he spend on food? 1/3 of the what? 1/3 of the remainder. So it's 1/3 of the what? 5/8. This is what? 5/24. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
If you didn't, you got what? Joke. What next? Calculate the fraction of his monthly income that he what? Saves. Are you ready? He what? Spends 1/3 of the what? 5/8 on what? Food. What fraction of the what? Sorry. Of the remainder, he spent 1/3 on what? Food and save what is what? Left. What is the remainder? What fraction of the remainder is spent on food? What fraction of the remainder is saved? Listen to this one, listen to this is 4. He saves 5/12. Yeah man, you wanna quiet? Joke. Joke. You wanna quiet? Never talk. He spent what? Watch me. He spent what? 2/3 of the what?
1/3
of the remainder on what? Food. And the rest he saves. What is the rest?
2/3.
1/3 of the remainder. And the rest of the remainder he what? Saves. What is the rest of the remainder? The rest of the remainder is what? 2/3. That's what he saves. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
See. Ladies and gentlemen, you've got to be able to follow a question. You've got to be able to follow the question. Of the remainder, it starts off, before him go down here, so him say what? Of the remainder, he spends something on what? Food, and save what is what? Left. It must be what of the what? Remainder. You can't save what you already spent. So when spend on housing, out of it. The only other two things is what? Food and what? Saving. So food, it means that what? The saving must come out of the what? Remainder. And the food must come out of the what? Remainder. What fraction of the remainder he spends on food? 1/3. So what fraction of the remainder he saves? 2/3. Alright. C. At bank A, US $1 is equivalent to Barbados $1.95. Calculate the value of US $700 in Barbados dollars. So US means United States dollars, BDS means Barbados dollars. This is how I would do this. I look at C. I would start by writing out my conversion rate. US $1, Barbados $1 and what? 96 cents. How much money you're converting what? US. I will put US under US. I don't know the Barbados equivalent, so I would call it what? And then I would what? Cross multiply. What is 1 times X? Is equal to what? 700 times 1.96. Multiply and tell me what you get. Barbados. 1,000. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Or were you what? Are you suffering what? More joke? Alright, please note. Please listen. At Bank B, the value of US $700 is what? Calculate the value of what? US what? $1. I do it the same way. I will do it the same way. US. So this is C, US $700. Barbados, how much? Barbados 1,386. Then I would say what? US $1. I don't know the Bayesian equivalent, so I call it what? Then I'm going to what? 700x 1386 divided by 700 x. This is what? Barbados $1 and what? 98 cents. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I think that's the end of the what? The question.